In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand an image in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to load in your image, so you can just open it, drag and drop it, or whatever you want to use. And then from here, as you can see, if I click on the image, there's no resize option. So what you want to do is basically click out of the image, so you can deselect it like this, and then you can see this resize button up top. So just click on the resize button, and then in here, the first thing you have to do, of course, is change the new custom width and height. Now over here you can of course change this, you can lock it or not, it's of course completely up to you. I'm going to change the width in my case, and I'm going to make it to be, for example, 1400 like that, okay? And then before you click on the resize button, you want to go down here to where it says expand image, and you want to check this. Now here it says it's going to resize image by generating the missing parts, of course using AI. So what you now want to do when you have set in your new custom size, you want to go and check this and then click on resize. You could also duplicate and resize so we don't lose the original. I'm just going to click on the resize button over here, and you'll see over here around the edges it's going to give you this kind of a rainbow circular animation, which is going to start basically expanding your image and filling it in with AI. Now of course you can make this as big as you want. Here I just made it like that, and as you can see, there we go, it expanded my image, and it also gave me 3 different options I can use. So I can click on them to preview, and of course as you can see, if you click on them, all of them look just great. So you can go and basically pick whichever one you want. I'm actually going to go with this first one, or of course, yeah, you can go with anyone because I do prefer these. And if you want to generate more, you can just click on down here and it's going to start generating more, okay? Now over here, when you're ready, you can just click on this keep button and it's going to keep the newly expanded image here, and you can then go ahead and of course continue designing from here. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.